Are you looking for the best pressure washers for cleaning your car in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best pressure washers for cleaning your car that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Joe pressure washer. With over 10,000 reviews and a good 88% positive rating on Amazon, the Joe SPX3001 is the best electric pressure washer for many people thanks to its adequate power, quiet operation, lightweight, affordability, and included accessories. With a 14.5 amp divided by 1,800 watt motor, it generates 2,030 psi of pressure, plus a decent 1.76 GPM water flow, which is enough for most typical household jobs, from cleaning the car, boat, and RV, to siding, decks, fences, patios, and more. The 5 quick connect nozzles mean you have a variety of pressures for tougher jobs, and wider spreads for gentle work like your car. Between the 35 feet power cord and 20 feet hose, you have over 50 feet of range from the nearest outlet. And the plug features GFCI protection so you won't cause a short circuit. We purchased a Joe SPX3001 at retail for testing. It came largely assembled, with only a few accessories to attach. The included 4 spray and 1 soap tips store nicely, and a cord hook and hose reel are built in. The hose reel is very stiff and should have a longer crank handle, and it's difficult to coil the electric cord neatly. The first time we used it, it took a few minutes and some fits and starts to get consistent spray. It may have been working air out of the system, we're not sure. After that, it worked great. The handle has a smart built-in safety lockout and has a very light actuation, which is easy on your hands. There isn't much room at the end of the one to use the quick connect for spray tips, and they pop off fast when you release them, but there are no leaks. We did use Teflon tape everywhere there were threads, which we think everyone should always do. We loved how quiet it was, and the auto start and stop was extremely responsive. It made adequate pressure for our favorite foam cannon. Joe is an American company founded in 2004 and offers a 2-year warranty on everything they make, unless you need more pressure from the nozzle. The convenience and features of the Joe SPX3001 make it our pick for the best electric pressure washer for your car. Up next in the 4th place is the Worx WG6302 Hydroshot pressure washer. If the idea of even a smaller pressure washer like the Joe in Portland still seemed like too much effort to schlep around, and you want something lighter and more portable, Worx has introduced a line of cordless 20-volt pressure washer. While it's not a true pressure washer with just 350 psi, it's more than a garden hose, and it won't risk damaging your paint. It's enough pressure to blast dirt and grime off your car's surface better than just the hose on its own. It has 5 spray angles built into its single variable nozzle, and you can connect it to your garden hose or simply draw water from a bucket or other open water source like a lake. A great thing about the Worx that makes it one of the best power washers for cars is that it comes with a kit of attachments that are perfect for washing every part of cars, trucks, and SUVs. You get a soap bottle and accessories, which mean you can do almost all of your washing just using the tool. If you use it attached to your garden hose, you don't need to disconnect it for watering the lawn or garden, as it has a shower setting for watering plants. The 3rd product on our list is the Karcher K1700 electric pressure washer. Another good option using electric power in the middle range for pressure is the Karcher K1700. As the name suggests, it produces 1,700 psi, and the Karcher is built around convenience, with big wheels so it's easy to move around, a removable bucket that doubles as hose storage, and removable half-gallon soap tank. The K1700 also features a handy foot-operated on-off switch, and although it doesn't have a hose reel, the power cord storage is at the very top of the handle so you don't have to bend down to stow it neatly. Although it only has 3 nozzles, they are the 3 most useful ones: a turbo nozzle for focused cleaning power, 15-degree all-purpose nozzle, and one for soap application. While many brands only offer a 1-year warranty, Karcher backs up their product with a limited 3-year warranty with a rapid exchange program should you encounter any issues covered by the warranty. Areas of concern are the short hose and reports of a malfunctioning soap dispenser. Karcher offers other models up to 2000 psi if you like this one but want more power, including a compact 1700 psi cube, which trades off capacity for a compact form factor. Second on our list is the WN PW31 gas pressure washer, if you want a heavy-duty gas-powered washer. This WN PW31 is a popular option with impressive user ratings. The 208cc 4-stroke engine produces 2.5 GPM at 3100 psi. With a quick change nozzle for the 5 different tips, built-in storage, a soap dispenser, and onboard soap tank, it has big wheels to roll it almost anywhere in the yard, and a 30-feet hose so you don't have to move it much once you start spraying. Both this 3100 psi model and a 2800 psi model have very good ratings and user reviews, and WN backs up their products with a solid 2-year warranty. However, as with any gas model, it requires extra attention for storage and having gas and 30W 4-stroke engine oil on hand to refill when necessary. Some owners report that the WN uses up its gas quickly, and while you have the convenience of a 4-stroke engine, you will have to change the oil at least once a year. Finally, the top product on our list is the BlueClean AR383SS electric pressure washer. You might never have heard of Italian company Novi Reverberi, but they're pressure washing specialists that have been in business for over 50 years. They make both home and commercial electric pressure washers, and their BlueClean consistently appears on lists of the best pressure washers, especially for car cleaning. The BlueClean AR383SS is rated at 1900 psi. And with a 1.5 horsepower motor, it has plenty of power for your car and likely for any household cleaning jobs. Although some users report that the pressure did not live up to expectations of a 1900 psi machine. One advantage the BlueClean AR383SS has over many competitors is a longer reach, with a 35 feet power cord and plus 30 feet high pressure hose. So you should be able to set up over 60 feet from the nearest outlet, depending on your garden hose. Its accessories include 4 quick change nozzles, a rotary turbo nozzle, low pressure spray soap nozzle, and a 28-ounce detergent reservoir for your car wash soap, with a hose reel, compartments for the nozzles, and wheels. It should be easy to pack up and store. Also offers professional and commercial lines of pressure washers made in Italy, but they start at hundreds of dollars more. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.